Complete chapter number 10 from your economics book of grade 9, and the name of the chapter is Major Reforms and Emerging Trends in Indian Economy. So what is Digital India? We're going to start this video with Digital India. In July 2015, the government of India announced one of its most important program, that is the Digital India program, with a vision to transform India into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. The basic objective of this Digital India was to ensure that government services are made available to every citizen electronically by improving online infrastructure and by increasing internet connectivity in almost all the corners of India. In a fast moving world today, where we find that the economic globalization has established a close linkage between the local economy and the global economy, establishment of strong digital infrastructure seems to be the most important benefit of the growth potential in this change environment. Thus, we find that the present Digital India program is a strong step towards this direction. And the main vision, first vision, is that the digital infrastructure as a core unity of every citizen of India. Number two is governance and service on demand. And number three is digital empowerment to every citizen. So, as per your syllabus, we are going to know what is the success story of Digital India. There is no definite mantra of success, but there are plenty of real cases which prove that going digital could be a winning formula in the company's growth story. Considering the massive production or productivity gains and productive advantage that the digital technologies bring in, companies across sectors in India are aiming to substitute digital monetary transactions for physical transactions. So let us take an example, a case study, Kotak Mahindra Bank. The Kotak Mahindra Bank has introduced a new digital product, that is Jiffy. What is Jiffy? Which seamlessly incorporates social networking platforms like Twitter and Facebook with mainstream banking. The production has received, or you can say this product has received, an extremely encouraging response from the customers of Kotak Mahindra Bank. The new age building or the new age digital building or account offers some unique opportunities. First is banking account updates via Twitter, reward points on online transactions, ability to add friends to Jiffy network, no minimum balance, no interest bearing current account, auto term deposit creation, facility of hashtag banking, that is prepaid mobile DTH recharge. Then we are having this account updates, checkbook request. All these are coming just with a click. So with Kotak rewards for online transaction, the Kotak Mahindra Bank has built e-commerce and m-commerce shopping experience within banking. With these initiatives, over 90% of the savings account consumer or transactions of Kotak Mahindra Bank has moved outside the branch to various self-service channels, including mobile and net banking. Further, around we can say 30% of its customers have leapfrogged the mobile over net banking. So, the Kotak Mahindra Bank has also tried to simplify payments without compromising on security through involving, you can say, different kind of measures like mail money, the message money. In line and with this, the bank has launched KPay, a real time funds transfer platform. The platform has received a positive response with over, we can say, 20,000 people using it in a very short period after this launch. Not only Kotak Mahindra, we can now see this feature is also available in WhatsApp. This transferring of fund or paying some amount of money, and for your bank details updating and recharge and all these things can be done through Paytm, can be done through Phone Pay, or can be done through GPay also. So there are lots of platforms which have come up. All these are the symbols, or you can say all these are what we find in digital India. What is Skill India program? Need and objective. The government of India has launched the National Skill Development Mission during July 2015. The creation of proficiency of an individual to do a job with preference or perfection can be considered as skill development of that individual worker. What was the objective? The prime objective was to make the employed youth or unemployed youth employable through proper training so that they can acquire or gather knowledge and some skill for their and they can be used for different productive activities. So this is what was the aim for skill development or Skill India program. Let us take one case study as per your syllabus. Case study 1. Let us take the case of Srimati Kusum bin Kusum bin Ratwa of Gujarat. So Kusumben stays in a tribal district in a remote area of Gujarat. She has studied up to class 8 only. There are 5 members in the family which is engaged in farming activities. She has also been engaged in agricultural activities for the past several years. However, the farming techniques used by her family members were mostly primitive or traditional in nature, but her skill or proficiency that she achieved through her experience and acquaintancy with the farming techniques could be improved through a skill development program. She got an opportunity to receive agricultural training from the course that was seasonal training from Sukhi Mahila Seva Mandal. This was a training partner of the Sri Mahila Seva Sankari Bank Limited, and under a project supported by National Skill Development Corporation, and that training enabled her to acquire knowledge and the following areas, which were the areas that is the optimum use of the farmland, the use of vermicompost, that is the use of the organic fertilizers, and so on. So this helped her. So through this training, Kusumben learned about different types of cropping patterns for making optimum use of the land, and for the first time she grew tomatoes in her small piece of land. She could earn good profit during the harvest season of 2017. We learned that during the phase of privatization, contract farming has been encouraged in Indian agriculture. Now, if the farmers can be more skilled in undertaking appropriate cultivation technique, then they can grow crops suitable for food process industry. As a result, such training programs can create more employment and income opportunities among the rural poor. Thank you. Hopefully you understood.